Hello, my name is Alexis, and this is the third video of me unboxing all of the boxes I got from Arizona. I will be unboxing 2 more boxes. I have 2 other videos if you haven't seen those. I'm trying to get these done before Thanksgiving. I'm not sure if I'll post these before or after Thanksgiving, but you'll see them. So if I have the same outfit on, that is why. I do repeat outfits, but these are filmed in the same setting, okay? So let me get a sip of coffee. I've never gotten boxes from Arizona until today, and I have to say I am pleased so far with the Arizona unboxings. I've gotten several things. Oh gosh. I've gotten several things new with tags, some stocking stuffers, some things that I can sell, a couple designer items. So I am happy. Let's jump into these next boxes and see what we get. These were $40 total. That's shipping and tax. The prices, I believe, did go up a bit. I've been getting like 11, 12, 13 things in each. So the cost of goods is under $4 for each item, which I am thrilled with. Right off the bat, I can tell this is going to be a great box. Okay, Owl Crate Master of Death socks. Are these Harry Potter, again, with the Marvel, with the Harry Potter, with the things like that? I'm ignorant, so you can put all your hate into the comments and give me some engagement. Thank you. Owl Crate exclusive. Okay, these are pretty cute. These are look okay. Okay, Sin Time has this thing on the back. I'm not really sure what that means. Ooh. Okay, thank you kindly. You're welcome. This says strength. And just a little cute necklace. It does look tarnished, unfortunately, but that's still pretty cute. And if I can untangle it and put it back, maybe this could be a good gift. I don't know, or I could just use this myself. I don't know. I have to look this up. And it just says use Keep Loving for 15% off. SendTimeGift.com. Not sure about that. Next, we have some Hunter boot socks in size medium. Okay, which is a US women's 5 to 7. Okay, wow. These do look opened. So they were probably like returned, but you just slip your foot in, wear them with some Hunter boots, and then turn this down. Those are cute. I don't know what comps are on these, but I'm definitely gonna get more than $4. Has a little Hunter logo. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. We have this little purse. I don't believe it's leather. Actually, kind of, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Sometimes when things are like new, it's hard to tell. Okay, but this is really cute. And it has like this large strap, this pocket in the front. Does she have a brand? Old Navy. Okay, all right. Well, do you think Old Navy? This could be a good present. This looks unused, actually. So that's pretty cute. I might give that as a present because Old Navy just doesn't sell that well. But you know what? I might use this myself. This is a decent sized bag. And I do like to wear black. I do have a black Kate Spade purse that I bought from Mercari, but she's sometimes too small. This is just like, I'm loving this big strap action, so that's cute. $14.99 Hobby Lobby Blessed frame. This is going to my mom. farmhouse vibes. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good. Because I was like, we have some silicone laces. I've never seen these, but that is a good idea. 100% silicone, no more tying shoelaces. I used to, right before reselling full-time, actually was an aide to a 22-year-old who has functioning autism. So he did not tie his shoes very well. So these would be awesome for slipping on shoes. I think these are a really great idea. This is looking busted. Anchor Me bracelet. I can say this is new at tags, but like honestly, she's looking rough. It's okay. Anchor Me bracelet. Just says, who inspires you? There's always someone to keep you afloat. And it's anchormebracelet.com. Share your story. Okay, cool. Trademarked in 2014. Okay, all right, sure. Okay, there's something cool at the bottom. I already saw the brand. Save that for last. All right, we got Trisha Waldron Designs earring and necklace set. It feels a bit cheap. I might just give this to Goodwill. Unless my mom will want this. She wears colors like this, but I don't know. Okay. Robe flash strap. All right. Let's see. I feel like we used to use these. These little things, I used to hook these on my phone when I was a kid, like things like this. Is that what this is for? Or just to go on a camera flash strap? Someone let me know. But these are little pics and their arms and legs move and they're really cute. So that's that. And their eyes are diamonds. There's two good things. Okay, well, we have some Quay or Key Australia Desi plus Desi Perkins glasses. All right. Let's see. Okay, these are really Quay or Key glasses in like a blue tint. Dirty. Very thick. Legs are in good condition. High key mini rimless is what they are called. So maybe I can clean them up a little bit. I'm not sure what comps are, but I know that these can sometimes be valuable, and it has this little clear case. Okay, last thing is this Hobo. I saw this. Hobo is a good brand of wallets. They are like super soft, distressed leather, large wallets. And this one actually came with a chain, which is cool. Normally have a ton of pockets. This one looks very, oh wow, okay. It opens like this. See what I mean? Tons of pockets. This one is very clean, has like a floral detail. That is great. And cost of goods, again, about $4. Okay, cool. That's the first box. Okay, great. That was a really great box. On to the next one. And again, right off the bat, I can tell this is about to be a great box. I'm already seeing some good brands, some good materials. Let's see. All right. Hakuho Do plus Sephora Pro. I'm not sure if this is what's meant to be in this box, because I don't think it is. Because this is some like seashell necklaces with flowers in this one. All right, okay. But this, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not what this is. Okay. We have a New Tags Lululemon headband. Cool. Some more sleepwear. Bravado medium. This could be a nursing bra. Bra conversion kit instructions. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. There's like all types of stuff that you can convert this to. It has like some little hooks. I've never heard of this, but there's like all types of straps and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. But oh, it does say nursing bra. Yeah. Okay. New tags. Yeah. It looks like you can do a lot of stuff with this. Looks good. Next, this has a tag on it. This is looking cute. Doesn't have a brand though. My lips are feeling dry. Been in the heater all day. All right, black. Doesn't have a brand. I feel like I've seen these before. Maybe like American Eagle or something. I don't know, but those are really cute. And it has this little shell, like gold on it. Super cute. Where is that from? I don't know, but cute stocking stuffers. All right, we got some large Forever 21 neon orange. I'm thinking they're orange. Yep, neon orange hoops from Forever 21. One came off, originally $5.90. I don't know. I like statement earrings. I actually might rock these myself. I love hoops. These are a bit large, but honestly, I could definitely rock these. These are cute. Few good things left. So I'm gonna do these and then I'm gonna show you what's left. Okay, we have another pair of these socks. I think I opened a pair of these in another video. I'm always losing my socks, so I'm grateful for the socks. Okay, this is Nina Fiore. I've just never had this. Sterling silver, $29.99. Little pearl necklace. This looks so cool. This looks very small. It's like a pearl choker. Okay, this says compare at $42 sterling silver, but it does look like the silver does have some tarnishing on it, but overall, really cute. I'm seeing this Fossil wallet. Okay, cost of goods, again, under $4. Wow. I don't know. The past few Fossil things I've been getting have been smelling like someone smoked right in them. Smoked right in the wallet. But this one does smell a bit smoky, but overall, it's clean. That's a really clean, actually. This is like a newer Fossil red. Lots of space. This is cute. Okay. That's that. It's like burgundy color. Next, wow. Okay. This is a long, beautiful robe. Okay. This looks like a real traditional robe. One of my closest friends grew up in Japan, so she could tell me this is made in Tokyo. This, I can't make out the brand, but it does have an RN number. But like, this is so long and beautiful. Like, this is art. Wow, 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 wow. Just has herons, beautiful condition. It's not silk, it's polyester. Wow. And it has the length, 58 inches. And then the sleeves like cut out right here. Wow, that is so cool. I should have saved that for last. I just thought that was like a simple robe. That's amazing. Okay, and the last thing we have, I saw that we had a Ray-Bans case. So let's see what's in there. They are Ray-Bans, Ray-Ban P. Round metal, it says. Like this. They're like blue tint. Minor scratches, but in great condition. Yeah, and they're like stamped Ray-Ban on the metal, so I'm gonna say these are real. You know what? Mercari actually just sent out a thing where they're doing free authentication until like the mid-February. Before it was $5. I don't know if you still have to pay to get a certificate, but still that $5 fee is waived. So I would go ahead and authenticate everything you can, just to have backup proof that like what you're selling is real. And that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes my Arizona Funbox unboxings. If you like unboxings, reseller content, reseller humor, reseller tips, please like, subscribe so more people can see my videos and you can get notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.